Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, this is Sophie J. Egbon's channel. Do well to subscribe and press the bell notification if you haven't done that already. My old subscribers, you are highly welcome. I don't take your love for granted. In today's video, I'll be making chicken foot. I washed my chicken foot, I removed the nails, and I added my season. I added salt, I added garlic, I added ginger, I added turmeric. As you can see on the video, this is turmeric. And I added oregano. This is oregano. Okay, and I added rosemary as well, just to enhance the cooking, to make it sweet, to make it delicious. So there is nothing on chicken food, so I just want to put all that to make it delicious. I place that on my stove to cook and I cover it up. I added vegetable to a already preheated pan. As you can see, guys, I added onion, so I'll just leave that to fry a bit. I added a tomato puree to that. I'll leave it to fry as well. I added pepper to it. I stir it to make sure everything incorporated properly. Here I added my bell peppers. I added the 3 colors bell peppers, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. I stir that together, guys. I'll just leave it to cook a bit. I added my broccolis, guys. Yes, I added broccoli to that. And the season. I added salt to taste. I'll stir that together. Yes, guys, here I will just add the main ingredient, which is the chicken foot, guys. As you can see, I add them together. I just make sure I stir that together. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this video. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.